Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to talk about how to make a rooting tonic. So you can start new plants very easily just from taking a piece of another plant and then dipping it into a rooting tonic and then into soil. And there's many different materials that can be used for rooting tonic. You can buy root tone or over-the-counter varieties, and they're not very cheap, or you can make your own. There's lots of different materials that can be used for rooting tonic. And one of the most popular these days is actually made from willow. So if you take willow bark and just cut the branches into little pieces about the size of chopsticks, and then cut them down into about 3-inch pieces and soak them overnight in water, you can take that water and dip any type of plant into it, and it'll root even better. Because there's a growth regulator that's in willow. So if you cut that branch, it will grow roots and immediately grow again. So it puts off a chemical called IBA, and then that will actually help any other plant root too. It's quite amazing. And you can store the water in the refrigerator for even months or freeze it and use it as needed, and it'll have that little growth regulator in it. And if you just dip your start into it before you root it or before you put it into soil, it'll find that it'll grow much better. But I found a method that works easier than anything else, and it's really simple. So honey is probably the best root tonic or root tone that you can possibly use because it has all types of minerals in it, and it has a consistency and sugar that helps the plant grow. So by just dipping some honey or putting some honey into a shot glass and then taking a start of a plant and taking any type and then dipping it right into the honey and then putting that right into the soil just as it is, I have found it gives it nutrients, it helps it to adjust to the change, and it will grow right away. And it's the best root tonic you can use.